Hey everyone, this is Blaine Klein, and today I will be looking into the Clickfunnels top affiliates and their strategies. The best part is success leaves clues, and we're going to see just how we can compress decades of experience into days so we can replicate their success. We're going to look at two of the top affiliates for Clickfunnels. The top affiliate is Spencer Mecham, and we're also going to check out Lee Dumas and their different strategies. Right now, I've got the ClickFunnels official blog pulled up, and as you can see here, they are pointing out just how much they paid out to their affiliates last year. This post is from 2018, but at that time, they had paid out about $12 million to their affiliates, and the main reason I pull this up is to show you just how much they're committed to the affiliate marketing program. The ClickFunnels affiliate marketing program consists of a recurring commission. So the payout is about 40% each month. So for the $97 plan, that comes out to about $38.80 a month. And for the $297 plan, that's about $118.80 a month. On top of that commission program, they do offer a DreamCar Bonus. So what that is once you hit 100 active members, they will contribute $500 a month towards your lease. Once you hit 200 active members, they'll contribute $1,000 a month towards your lease. If you head on over to whatsyourdreamcar.com, ClickFunnels has a really good page built out to explain the entire program, as well as a list of current dream car winners. So this list is pretty cool to me because there are a lot of people giving out ClickFunnels information and selling different courses on how to become an affiliate marketer. And I think the coolest thing is you can come to this page and know immediately if they have credibility or not. So that's what I've done a lot of, reverse engineering of what these people have done in order to become a top ClickFunnels affiliate. So the two people that we're going to take a look at as far as top affiliates, that is Spencer Mecham. He's a dream car winner right here. He's right now the #1 ClickFunnels affiliate, as well as we're going to take a look at Lee Dumas. The first ClickFunnels top affiliate that we're going to take a look at is Spencer Mecham. Spencer is the #1 affiliate right now and gives some incredible interviews out there on the internet. The one that I would recommend the most is on Funnel Hacker Radio he did with Dave Woodward, where they disclosed that at that time he has about 1,800 ClickFunnels members. He adds a ton of value. His two primary sources of traffic include YouTube and Google pay-per-click. So Spencer recommends that if you're getting started with ClickFunnels, that you pick two and go all in on those two until you've mastered them. Spencer runs an online community called builderpreneur.com. He offers different online courses where he shows exactly how to build sales funnels, how to do affiliate marketing, and as well as different interviews he's done with other industry experts. Spencer adds tremendous value in this interview, Secrets of a ClickFunnels Dream Car Winner, and I highly suggest checking this out. I will go ahead and link this video up. That's where I learned a great deal about his journey, as well as different affiliate marketing strategies that are working in 2019. Lee Dumas is an entrepreneur that runs a podcast called EO Fire. He's also a ClickFunnels top affiliate, and based on his published income reports, he has around 650 ClickFunnels members. Like Spencer Mecham, John adds a ton of value through an online training called Funnel on Fire, as well as a webinar he's hosted with ClickFunnels CEO Russell Brunson. So I have John's Funnel on Fire training pulled up. This program is something that allows new users to build their first funnel. It's based off of John's experience building ClickFunnels and seeing what works with his own e-commerce business. This training is pretty standard, but I've noticed a lot of different ClickFunnels affiliates creating this sort of training where you also get the ClickFunnels affiliate badge on the bottom right here. So basically, it allows users of the course to click on your badge, and then that way you get credit if they sign up as an affiliate. So it adds tremendous value to new users while also allowing you as the affiliate to get credit for their sign up. Thank you all so much for taking a look at my video today. I hope it gives you different ideas and tactics on how you can become a ClickFunnels top affiliate. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.